Hi there. Now, welcome back to the third part of linear programming. Now, we learned how to use Geogebra to find all the graphs. Now, today, what we are going to do is look at a question, a problem, and try to solve that. Now, putting them into Geogebra is one stage or one part, but after that there is another set. So we'll just look quickly and briefly into this. So there is this question: on a particular route, an airline offers economy and first class seats. The aircraft has 240 meters squared of passenger space and can hold no more than 200 people. Each economy seat takes up to 0.75 meters squared and first class 2 meters squared. Ticket costs $400 economy and $720 first class. What is the most income they can get from a flight? Now this is our problem. Now before we begin to put this in Geogebra, we need to learn to write the equation. Now there are two things we need to know. One is economy class and second is the first class, and from here we can derive two different equations. So let's see. First we'll have two variables. We are going to let E for non-economy class, F for number of first class passengers, E for number of economy passengers. Now we'll have to look at the constraints. Constraints are things that makes it hard to solve, or basically restrictions. Now number of seats is 200, so that means combining the both economy and first class we should have no more than 200 seats. So the equation is written as such. Now let's look at the other factor that was given to us. It's space. So it has 240 meters squared of space and 0.75 meters squared for economy and 2 meters squared for first class. So that's your possible equation. Now you know that we can't have profit making if it is equal to 0, so everything has to be more than 0, nothing less than 0. So more than equal to is the better option for both options in order for the airplane to make, or airline to make profit or any money. The objective, that means what we're trying to gather from this, is basically the income, and the income is equation could be related to this. Now when we are writing equation, this is okay, but when we are going to put this in Geogebra, we will have to change the E and the F to X and Y. Example. So this equation could become X plus Y less than equal to 200, and this equation could become 0.75x plus 2y less than equal to 240, and this is x is greater than equal to 0 and y is greater than equal to 0. Now what these will do is, your Geogebra only recognizes x and y, so as a result you'll have to change all of this in your own x and y, and when we're going to go back, this will all be changed to the x and y. Alright, let's see what's next. Now if I had put all that into Geogebra, I would have got something similar to this, and these are your possible equation. Now the idea for this is for you to be getting a maximum income in this case. So once we get our points, let's see, you need to draw yourself table looking at how many points are there, how many possible intersections are there. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. If I can change this to show you, this could be 1 point, second point, third point and your fourth point. So looking at that, let's say that's A, your first point, and the coordinate for this point is 0, 0. Now X is 0, Y is 0. Like I said, you'll have to change E to X and F to Y possibly, and you're going to substitute those values back into the equation, and hence you get 0. So if I put all the values of the coordinate 0 here plus 0 on this one, we'll get 0. Next one, point B. Now point B is here. The coordinate for that is 0, 1, 20. We're going to substitute that back into the equation, the maximum income. Your answer is 86,400, and so on. You got C, get the coordinate of C, substitute in the value, and you get your answer. And D, you do the same. Now this area is a feasible region. If you remember from the previous one, this is a feasible region, and these are your vertex, the point on the corners, and which of these points are the best possible for our maximum profit. Now looking at the values here, the best possible value for us is on C, whereby we are expected to have about 128 economy class passengers and 72 first class passengers to get us a maximum profit of $103,040. So you need to do all this in order to get a final outcome, and like I said, to get the maximum profit, the airline has to get 128 economy class seats and 72 first class seats. You need to write this as a statement in order to complete your assessment. Thank you for watching. Thank you.